This is a review of the Vamtac jersey that we're going to be doing a review and test fit on, which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we were going to be putting this to a test to. And what we're gonna do now is that we're going to do a little bit of walk around, show you guys more in depth about this jersey and the reasons why I love it. So without going further, let's get more in depth and show you guys this jersey in detail. Okay, so this right over here is the finished look of the Vamtac jersey that is in the color of black, and this is a size large. I do want to tell you guys my sizes. So this is a size large, like I told you guys, but also I'm about 5 feet 10 inches and my weight is about 165 pounds. And what I love about this jersey is two things. Number one is that super lightweight and comfortable. It's also soft as well too. It's made of 95% of polyester material as well. So that's also a huge plus. That's what makes it, extremely soft as well. But the most important thing of number two is that this material, you can see up close, this is a mesh material right over here. And even on the back side, if I go on the back, the mesh material is, extremely important. As you guys know, during the summertime, it gets extremely hot. And, when it gets hot, it gets uncomfortable. You want to wear something that's very comfortable. And this right over here is best suitable to wear during the summertime because of the fact that it is a mesh material. And overall, I would definitely recommend this jersey because, the fact that it gives you that oversized look, and this is a size large, so it gives you that like a baggy and oversized look. And what we're gonna do now is I'm going to do like a walk around to show you guys, front and back on how this looks like. And without going any further, I'm going to pair it up with some sunglasses to give you guys a better showcase on how it is when you pair it up with some sunglasses, a bracelet right over here, a watch, and then, the pants I'm wearing, and then, it gives you that Y2K look. So without going further, I'm going to do a front and back view of this jersey. And just like that, I would definitely recommend this jersey because it looks absolutely, phenomenal. When you pair it up with a bracelet, a watch, a hat, and sunglasses, it gives you that Y2K fashion look. And other than that, I would definitely recommend it. Super lightweight and comfortable, 95% polyester material, and it's also a mesh material as well too. So it's breathable to wear during the summertime. So if you're looking to wear something stylish and fashion, and as you guys know, the World Cup series as well, something that gives like a sporty look as well, this right over here is probably one of the best oversized jerseys that you can wear because it is extremely comfortable, soft, and 95% polyester, and just overall it just looks good as well. So I would definitely recommend this product.